Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're exploring a tool that promises to take your hairstyling to the next level with minimal effort. If you're someone who's tired of battling frizz or struggling with hair tools that don't live up to their hype, then stay tuned as we dive into the features of this latest innovation designed to make your hair smoother, shinier, and healthier. We're talking about a hair straightener equipped with new technology that incorporates 32 minerals, designed to deliver a smooth finish with one pass. What's even more impressive are the two silicone strips meant to give your hair an extra boost of shine without causing damage. It claims to smooth your hair without the usual struggles, and no more worrying about the dreaded ovalization or burnt strands. Let's break it down. When I first got my hands on this straightener, I was eager to test it on a few different types of hair. The design is sleek, and I have to say, it's surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. The rotating cable is a nice touch, no more tangling up mid-straightening session, which is always a bonus. But beyond the design, how does it actually perform? Well, I started with damp hair to see how well it straightened on the first pass. True to its claims, this straightener lived up to the promise of smoothing hair with one swipe. The plaits felt smooth on the hair, and the combination of the minerals and the silicone strips really seemed to enhance the shine. Normally, I have to go over certain sections multiple times to get a sleek finish, but not with this one. It did the job in just one pass. Now, about the silicone strips. They're meant to add shine and protect the hair from burning or damage. And I can say from my experience, it worked. After straightening, my hair looked glossy without feeling greasy or heavy. There was no excess heat on the hair either, which is often a problem with traditional straighteners. This could be attributed to the 32 mineral technology that helps to keep the heat evenly distributed. One concern I did have, though, was the power supply. It comes with a wire, so there's no freedom of movement like some cordless models. While this isn't a deal breaker for most people, it could be a limitation if you prefer the flexibility of a cordless device for travel or quick touch-ups. But for everyday styling, the cord length wasn't an issue for me. Pros? Well, the product delivers exactly what it promises. It smooths the hair in one pass, gives a nice shine, and leaves it looking healthy and sleek. I also liked how lightweight and easy to use it was, and the rotating cable really did make styling feel seamless. It's a solid option for anyone who needs a reliable straightener without worrying about excessive heat damage. As for cons, I'd say the wire is one of the only drawbacks. Some might prefer a cordless option for added flexibility, and this product doesn't offer that. Additionally, while the silicone strips work to prevent burning, they didn't seem to have any lasting effects in terms of keeping the hair frizz-free longer. It's great for an immediate sleek finish, but it didn't completely eliminate my frizz for the entire day. When it comes to value for money, this straightener falls in the mid-range category. It's priced fairly for the quality, but there are alternatives out there that might offer a bit more in terms of long-term performance or added features, like heat settings or more advanced technology. Still, for someone looking for a no-fuss, effective straightener that gets the job done in less time, it's definitely worth considering. As for alternatives, if you're on the hunt for something more affordable, there are plenty of solid straighteners out there. Brands like Remington or Conair offer products that also smooth and shine hair with effective results, but at a lower price point. However, if you want to stick with this option, you'll appreciate the simplicity and quick results it delivers. To wrap it all up, does this straightener live up to its claims? Yes, in most ways. It's simple, effective, and delivers a smooth, shiny finish in one pass. If you're someone who values convenience and is looking for a straightforward tool to keep your hair sleek without spending a lot of time, this could be a great fit for your routine. So, what's your take on this product? Have you tried it out for yourself? Or is it on your radar? Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our honest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.